If you told me I could only keep one yoga pose to heal and eliminate hip and knee pain, this would be it, the yoga squat. The ancient yoga texts refer to it as Malasana. Now, most people think that this position is impossible, or worse, that it destroys your knees. In this video, we're going to talk about why that's backward and how this single master key posture can actually undo years of damage with just 5 minutes of practice a day. We're also going to explore some unique variations of the yoga squat that are both static and dynamic for both beginners and advanced practitioners. First, let's clear up a massive misconception. Most hip and knee pain isn't a joint problem, it's a missing movement problem. We've traded our natural range of motion for chairs, sofas, and car seats. When you spend your life at 90 degrees, your body forgets how to go deeper. And when the body forgets, it stiffens, it calcifies. As a yoga therapist for over 20 years, I see this every day. The pain isn't because you're getting older, it's because you stopped moving the way you were designed to move. So, why the yoga squat? When you squat correctly, the compression and the release act like squeezing a sponge. This cycles synovial fluid in and out of the joints, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cartilage while flushing out metabolic waste. Often, knee or hip pain is actually a support problem. By strengthening your quads, glutes, and hamstrings, you create a muscular sleeve around the joints. This takes the mechanical load off your bones and connective tissue, allowing micro tears to finally heal. Loading the joint under tension even signals your body to produce more collagen, making your ligaments resilient to future inflammation. Now, here's the secret that makes the yoga squat different. It's not just about the hold, it's about the movement inside the hold. We don't just sit here frozen. We explore the space. We shift weight. We hunt for stiffness and release it. So, what makes this unique? Well, two things: the hold and the movement. Let's start with the first variation, which is what I'm in right now. Essentially, the yoga squat is sitting with your butt all the way toward the ground, feet planted, knees bent, and hips flexed. You just comfortably hang out here. Now, you might be thinking, I can't get down there. And that's okay. Our bodies get good at what we do regularly. If you only practice sitting in chairs, you'll get good at being stiff. To fix this, start gradually. Use a block under your hips, or even some of those thinner blocks, or even a towel, rolled up towel under your heels. Now the goal is 5 minutes a day. You can also break it up, 2 minutes in the morning and 3 minutes at night. The second variation is more dynamic. Once you can sit in the static version for 2 to 5 minutes, it's time to move. We're going to squat up and down in the same position. Start with 10 reps and work your way up to 20, 30, or even 50 repetitions. Personally, I'm in my 50s and I do 100 of these daily. This is what prevents that rapid decline of leg strength as you age. It keeps the oil in your hip, ankle, and knee joints, which helps you in every athletic activity you love. Now, the third version is known as wind releasing pose. This is a little more advanced as it's designed to specifically target lower back and hamstring tension. Start by gripping your toes firmly. Inhale while in the squat, tilt your head back and look toward the ceiling. Feel that compression in the lower back and the stretch in your throat. Exhale and straighten your legs as much as possible while keeping your fingers gripping your toes. Your head will naturally drop toward your knees. Focus on that pumping action. Inhale as you drop and look up. Exhale as you lift the hips and fold. Now, if you want to reclaim your strength and your mobility today, there are 3 things that you must do. Number 1, recognize that this might be uncomfortable at first. That's the feeling of your body changing. Commit regardless of the discomfort and stick to the process. Now, this doesn't mean pushing into pain. It means listening to your body and respecting your limits. Number 2, practice every day. Even if it's a shallow version of the yoga squat without the movements, just get into the position. If it's too much today, take a day off, but come back tomorrow. Are you ready to give the yoga squat a try? Start your 5-minute clock right now and let me know in the comments below. How did it go? And to get your free yoga map guide and body mind program, check the link in the description below. Peace and namaste.